How to fix WhatsApp business status couldn't send on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business status couldn't send on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and now apps again, and here just type WhatsApp and click on it, and then click storage. Now click clear cache and then click force stop here. And not WhatsApp, I mean this one here, WhatsApp business. Click on it, click force stop here, and then click storage and click clear cache. And now go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, storage, and click on it and click allow, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.